Hey Bonita National fans, Roberto Lee here at Bonita National, and today we're going to preview our new listing on CARLOW Court. This is a coach home here at Bonita National with golf membership included. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,100 square foot. It's got a 3-car garage. One side is tandem. Let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome property here. Lots of upgrades in this particular coach home. It's an upstairs floor plan, and as you come in to the front door, you've got a nice easy staircase, not steep, nice easy staircase leading upstairs. And then down below, you have the garage access and also storage directly underneath the stairs there. These owners happen to have pushed it all the way back. So you've got storage for days all the way clear back under the stairwell. Now coming up into the staircase here, they got a nice landing platform here, makes it nice and easy on the legs getting up. And as you get inside, it opens up to the great room area here. You can see the dining room located there in the corner. This feature wall here, and then directly behind us, you've got a coat closet there. And back here are the 2 guest bedrooms, the laundry, and the guest bath. On my left here is the guest bath. These owners have added a sliding glass door above the tub there. The whole unit's been painted as well. In the laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer. And these owners have also added extra cabinetry for storage. Now, one of the nice things about the guest bedrooms here with the upstairs coach home is that they're huge. These are mini masters, basically. You've got a nice king-size bed here, even additional room for seating. And then you've got a nice size walk-in closet. And the other guest bedroom, again, just as big. Here you have 2 twin beds. You can get 2 queen beds in here without any problem if you choose. And then you also have the walk-in closet again here. Now coming back to the main area, we'll take a walk right through the kitchen here. You've got granite countertops, stainless appliances, tile backsplash. The fridge is new here. It's an LG fridge, upgraded over the GE fridge that was there previously. These owners have also upgraded the sink here, so now you have the 75-25 partition instead of the 50-50, makes cleaning pans that much easier. You've got a nice eating kitchen area right here all set up. And that takes us back to the master suite. Huge master suite. That's a king-size bed, looks small in this room. He's got an office set up in here. A lot of people will put a seating area, but tons of space here. You've got the his and hers closets. And then in the bathroom, you have the private commode right here to the left. You've got the standalone shower, dual sinks, and soaking tub. Now the best part about this particular condo is the view. These owners paid a premium for the location here. The location is paramount to this coach home here. You've got an eastern exposure, but one thing to notice here is there are no buildings next to you. So you've got a wide open view. You're right here by the cul-de-sac. You've got the nice green space. You've got the lake. You've got single family homes across. And right over there is the finishing hole, so you never have to worry about any errant golf balls hitting your screen or damaging your coach home here. There's only one second floor coach home on the street that's on the end with no other buildings of condos in your sight line. This is the only one. Again, another upgrade is they've tiled the floor here on the exterior. They've also put a no-see-um screen to protect about the bug bites that you might get throughout the summertime. This is an awesome coach home, guys. There's only one like it. It's not going to last. If you're interested in making an offer, you can give us a call direct at 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. You can also email Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com. That's Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com. And for all the latest and greatest information about Bonita National, you can visit us online at bonitanationalcc.com. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.